Hello students, now we will solve the equation by Descarte method. Okay, we know that for applying the Descarte method, the coefficient of x raised to power 4 must be is equal to 1 and second degree term, that means coefficient of x cube must be 0. So here these two conditions are not satisfied, but you can see from the end there is no term containing x, so we can apply a trick here. Let put x is equal to 1 by y, so you will get 2 1 upon y 4 plus 6 1 upon y cube minus 3 1 upon y square plus 2 is equal to 0. After taking the LCM y raised to power 4, you will get 2 plus 6y minus 3y square plus 2y4 is equal to 0. That means 2y4 minus 3y square plus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. After dividing by 2, y4 minus 3 by 2 y square plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can see all the two conditions of Descarte method is satisfied. The coefficient of y4 is equal to 1 and there is no second degree term, so we can apply Descarte method here. So how to apply this? We have to put this equation at y4 minus 3 by 2 y square plus 3y plus 1, that is equivalent to y square minus py plus q and y square plus py plus q dash. Now y4 minus 3 by 2 y square plus 3y plus 1 is equal to, we have to multiply these two equations, that is y4 minus pyq plus q dash y square minus pyq minus p square y square minus pq dash y plus q y square plus qpy plus q dash. Okay, you can see here y4 plus here plus pyq q dash y square, so these two terms are cancelled out and y4 minus 3 by 2 y square plus 3y plus 1, that is equivalent to y4. Okay, coefficient of y square, that is q dash and plus q and minus p square, and coefficient of y, that is minus pq dash plus qp and constant is q dash. So after this we have to comparing the coefficient of different power of y. So first of all we have to comparing the coefficient of y square. So if you will get coefficient of y square, so here coefficient of y square is equal to minus 3 by 2 and here coefficient of y square, that is q dash plus q minus p square. Now here coefficient of y, that is equal to 3 and here coefficient of y, that is minus p q dash plus qp. Now constant term here 1 and here constant term is q dash. So here this implies q dash plus q is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus p square, and here q dash minus q is equal to 3 by p and q dash is equal to 1. Okay, after this we know that q plus q dash whole square minus q dash whole square, that is 4q dash. So what is the value of q dash? So that is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus p square whole square. What is the value of q minus q dash? That is 3 by p whole square is equal to 4q dash, that is equal to 1. Here completing the square, a square plus b, sorry, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 3p square minus 9 upon p square is equal to 4. Taking the LCM p, 4p square, you will get 9 plus 9p square plus p6 minus 4p6. 4p6 minus 12p4 minus 36 is equal to 16p square. 4p6 minus 12p4, 9p square, here 9p square minus 16p square, you will get minus 7p square minus 36 is equal to 0. So t, you will get 4t cube minus 12t square minus 7t minus 36 is equal to 0. This is cubic equation. You can solve it by Calder method or you can solve it by hit and trial method. Here I use hit and trial method. So put t is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, which are perfect square. That is the beauty of Descarte method. So I put t is equal to 4 and you will get 256 minus 192 minus 28 minus 36 is equal to 0. So that is 0 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 4, satisfy it. So that means p square is equal to 4. That means p is equal to 2. Also q plus q dash, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus p square. That means q plus q dash is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 4. That means q plus q dash, that is equal to 5 by 2. Also q minus q dash is equal to 3 by p. That means q minus q dash is equal to 3 by 2. So if we add these two equations, we will get 2q is equal to 4. That means q is equal to 2. If we subtract these two equations, we will get 2q dash is equal to 1. So that means q dash is equal to 1 by 2. So the equations becomes y square minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 and y square plus 2y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. We know y is equal to 1 by x. So that is 1 by x square minus 2 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 0 and 1 by x square plus 2 1 by x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This implies this equations becomes 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and these equations become x square plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can find two roots from here and two roots from here. Here x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a. And here 2 plus minus 2 root 2 b square minus 4 upon 2. And here x is equal to 1 plus minus root here 2x square minus b 4ac, that is minus 4, that is 2 iota. So here 1 plus minus iota by 2 and here x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, that is 8 2 into 1 that is x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 2 root 2 by 2, that is x is equal to minus 2 plus minus root 2. So 2 roots are this and 2 roots are this. So this complete the equations. Okay, thank you.